Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Lando. Success, hope all is well. We're doing a market open to see what's going on with the stocks and what is popping, man. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. We're going to check out everything on Moomoo. If you want to see the best, you have to check it out on the best. So first we're doing is looking at my watch list of the stocks that I watch and the stocks that I personally own. Alliance is up 1% today. So we got to first start with the Dow and the Nasdaq. This don't looks good because after 3 days of negative growth, and actually let me bring myself back right here so you can actually see me. There I go. So 3 days of just red. And this haven't been like little baby red. It's been literally down 1,000 points, 300 points, 400 points type of days. So you see the Dow is red. It looked like it's going to creep up green in a little bit. But even the green is not too positive. So this can creep up in the red by the end of the day. So you got Tesla. Look at that. See, like it's crazy. Tesla's back in the red. Coinbase is doing good. So crypto was on a low rally when we were asleep. So coin is up 3%. But the good thing is you see a lot of red. You see the airlines. XPeng is up over 3%. That is good. Mesa is down. Ford and Target is down. Roblox up 2%. I need to start getting in the green on my Roblox position. AMC is down 3%. Not good for AMC, and the rest is all good. So look at this. We got Meta is up 5%. So shout out to Facebook because Facebook been completely taking a hit. Look at this. It was down to $56. Bam, you wake up today at 66. That's a whole different game changer right there. You see the high and the low. Now, if we look at Snap is the one everybody is talking about. Snap is up 15%. Ooh, this is a big jump. They was down yesterday to about $9 and today up $11. It don't sound like a lot, but that is a lot when you look at, how low the price is. The 52-week low is at $9.30. That was basically like yesterday, and the 52-week high is $83. So is there opportunity over here? Yes, it is. I learned to leave Snap alone. I think I sold all my Snap at around $15 a while back. And we have Futu Holdings is up 9%. That is Moomoo. So for most people don't know, Moomoo is a New York Stock Exchange company, and it's under Futu. So Futu, they are doing good because they had a great earnings, and they have Orlando on their team help promoting things. When you get your boy on the team, stocks and money go up. So you see Futu Holdings sustained solid growth of Q2 with 226 million total revenue. Shout out to Moomoo. Moomoo parent company Futu Holding, a leading tech-driven digital broker and wealth management platform, reports stable growth for the second quarter. So this 2 quarters in a row. A quarter in, total numbers of Moomoo and its sister Futu brand increased 20% year over year. Total number of registered clients up 30%. That's because you guys has been clicking the link in the bio or pinned to the top of the comments, and you guys been getting your free stocks just by depositing $100. Everybody's getting the free stocks. You get a free stock. She get a free stock. Everybody. The quarterly client retention rate hits a historic high of 99%. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's go. So if you guys are interested, and even if you use this platform, it would be smart to, invest in a company. You got shares at $50 a share. And if you look at their 52-week high was at $114. 52-week low is at 21. So we are over 50%, probably about 55, 56% from their all-time high. So there's a lot of opportunity, still a lot of growth you can actually see. So it depends on what you like to invest in, but I like to invest in where the people who's pay a player. Now, if we look at the markets, let's look at their heated map so we can see who is in the green. We got internet consumer software, internet software, auto, banks, credit, biotech. So in the red, we have oil and gas, banks, semiconductors, drugs. So it's kind of a very mixed day. It's a little mixture of everything. Now, if we look at who is popping the most, YRD is up 40%. I don't know who the hell YRD is. We got a therapeutics company up 39%. Mobicom, I know them. They are up heavy now, and that's crazy. So this is something that can trick you. That's why you got to look at it, because they was up to $6 and went all the way down to $2. So this spike is cute, but it don't necessarily it's a dead cat bounce, if you ask me. Limited announces closing of initial public offering, NASDAQ, so we can check that out. Now, the companies that's getting whooped on is New Age. I'm not hip to New Age. We gotta check them out. But Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, is getting beat up right now. Down 24%. Jeez, I told you guys to leave this company alone. Once you missed out on the come up on the quick hit and the quick run, buy low, sell high, you leave companies like this alone, because it can go up 50% in a day and it can go down 24% in a day. So you got to think, just on the 30th, it was at $15 a share. Now we at $19. If we look at the 52-week high, $30, 52-week low, $40. The volume is at 43. You got Omar in the back. He's mad I'm talking, so now he talking about whoa. Bed Bath Beyond stock rocket 7% ahead of strategy update. Yeah, that's not happening. Bed Bath Beyond stock plunge after strategic update. So, like, literally, you look at two articles. Oh man, it's about to take off and whatever. Plunge Wednesday after the struggling home good retailers strategic updating, which the company said it would cut its workforce and close stores and provide a downbeat sale outlook. The company said it was preparing to launch an at-market ATM offering up to 12 million shares, which would represent 15% of the outstanding shares. The mean stock dropped 24% in the early market trading after being down about 14%. The much anticipated update that follows a 9.3% pullback on Tuesday after the stock soared 32% in 2 days after the update. So you can read this capital C, but yeah, it's not good for Bed Bath & Beyond. Leave them players alone. All right, and I thought they had that one company, that Chinese company, was doing good today, but we will see. So the main news people was talking about is Snap. Oh snap. Snap plans to cut 20% of employees, hope to save $500 million annually. What I always told you, when a company want to find a way to save money, they're always going to cut employees. They're going to cut them employees in half. Got the wife in the back. Yeah, so it's not good for employees when the companies want to try to find a way to save money, because you got to think you're paying people $100,000 a year, $80,000 a year, $7,000 a year, and it's not just one employees. And obviously they're paying employees millions. They need to holler at a player if they paying money like that. So let's see. I'm about to say, do I need to type up some Snap? Snap jumps nearly 15% as it confirms 20% of workforce to be cut in restructuring. Cut costs, including layoffs, as low as revenue growth, as expected to continue to hit the company. Snap is the owner of, we know what Snap is. While we have built substantial capital reserve and made an extensive effort to avoid reductions in the size of our team by reducing spend in other areas, we must now face the consequences of our lower revenue growth and adapt to the market environment, said the company filing. So if we look at Snap price, and it's funny because you would expect that once a company say they're cutting everything, you expect them to go down hard, like big time. But with Snapchat, unfortunately, that's not the case because they already didn't went down hard. You gotta think this is at $83. This is at the peak, and you see them now. So you already didn't get hit. So once you basically let everybody know, like, yo, this all we got. It's all you can go up is from the bottom. So it's honestly not a bad deal if you ask me. Me personally, I wouldn't invest in Snapchat. As so many other companies and opportunities you have. But if you want to invest in Snapchat, you know, I ain't a financial advisor. It have a high upside. It really do. So let me know what y'all thoughts in the comments about good old Snapchat and what else is popping. If we can look and see what people are saying on good old Moomoo. See what the people talking about. Stocks with Joe, Josh, new stock to watch predictions. So I wonder if I should start doing my stuff from here. You know, get a whole different side of people that is watching your stuff. Should post on good old Moomoo after a while. We will see. Get me some good old Chinese market. AMC preferred. I haven't looked into Ape since they did that additional stock thing. Let's see. Ape. What that price been at? Down to $5. I think it started at $7 or $8. So it was down. So nobody made money since they technically did that. So, you know, interesting. And if we look over here, stocks rise with the Fed in focus. FDA authorized update C booster adapted for Omicron. Beyond now said, Russia deepens Europe energy squeeze with new gas halt. So yeah, we have to see throughout the day of what's popping. But I'm about to take this good old video, mix it up, provide this good content for you guys. Hope all is well. If you haven't did it already, get your free stocks with Moomoo. Just click the link in the bio. Sign up, get you one free stock. Once you deposit $100, that's going to get you, I think, 6 free stocks. Then once you deposit $2,000, it's going to get like 3 free stocks. So you're going to get like total of 12. My math ain't right, but y'all be all right.